8 Real Ways to Make Money. Online in 2026. Not long ago, I was completely fried from the 9-to-5 grind, stuck trading all my time for a paycheck that barely moved the needle on my savings. I just knew there had to be a better way to live and work. This is how I built 8 different income streams that are not only beginner-friendly, but now pretty much run themselves. By the time we're done here, you'll know the exact moves I made, so you can start building your own freedom in 2026. I started with absolutely zero experience, no audience to speak of, and if I'm being honest, a ton of self-doubt. But I stumbled upon a lesson that changed everything. Online success isn't simultaneous, it's sequential. You don't build 8 streams at once. You build one, get it humming, and then you move on to the next. That's the real secret. Let's break down how it's done. Selling digital products. The very first stream I set up was selling digital products. This was the perfect place for me to start, because you create something one time, and it can sell forever. Think about things like Notion templates, AI prompt packs, or even simple budget spreadsheets. I kicked things off by designing a pack of Canva templates for small businesses and listed them on Gumroad and Etsy. The best part? The delivery is 100% automated. Once it's up, you're literally making money in your sleep. Launching a paid newsletter. Once I had a small customer base from my digital products, I rolled right into my second stream, a paid newsletter. Platforms like Substack or Beehive make this ridiculously easy to set up. I offered a free weekly email with some solid tips, but the real gold was in the paid subscription. That's where I shared my best content, exclusive templates, and personal stories. This built a predictable, recurring revenue stream, which was a total turning point for my finances. Creating an online course. With the expertise I was already sharing in my newsletter, an online course was the logical next move. I took my most talked about topic and turned it into a full-blown video course. Now, don't let that scare you. You don't need a Hollywood film crew. I used AI tools to help generate scripts and slide decks, which saved a ton of time. I put the course on Teachable, and it became a massive pillar of my income, selling to people all over the world long after I'd finished recording. Affiliate marketing. This is where the magic really starts to compound. Affiliate marketing is just earning a commission for recommending other people's products. I started weaving affiliate links into my blog posts, my newsletter, and even my YouTube descriptions. When I recommend a tool, a book, or a service I actually use and believe in, and someone buys it, I earn a cut. It's an incredible way to monetize your content without having to create anything new. Plus, with the global affiliate marketing industry projected to grow significantly, it's a solid strategy for the future, a faceless YouTube channel. Next up, I started a faceless YouTube channel. This is a golden opportunity for anyone who wants to create content, but hates the idea of being on camera. Using AI voiceover tools and high-quality stock footage, I made videos explaining concepts in my niche. I monetized the channel with ad revenue, sure, but its real power was driving traffic back to my digital products and affiliate links. It created this powerful ecosystem where every single piece of content was working together. Print on demand. To add another layer of diversification, I opened a print-on-demand shop. This model is brilliant because you can sell custom-designed gear, like t-shirts, mugs, and posters, without ever touching a single piece of inventory. I used a service called Printify to upload my designs. When a customer buys something, Printify handles the printing, packing, and shipping. It's a low-risk way to dip your toes into selling physical products, especially as the global e-commerce market is expected to surpass $8.5 trillion by 2026. An entry-level AI automation service. Okay, this one sounds super technical, but hear me out. It's way more accessible than you think. Businesses are desperate to use AI to save time, but most have no idea where to begin. I started offering simple AI automation services, like setting up smart chatbots or automating email sequences with no-code tools like Zapier or Make.com. You're not building the AI, you're just the person who knows how to connect the existing tools to solve expensive problems. And trust me, companies will pay good money for that kind of efficiency. A membership community. The final stream I added was a subscription-based community. Using a platform like Patreon, I created a private hub for my most loyal followers. Inside, I offer exclusive content, host monthly live Q&As, and facilitate a community forum where people can connect. This provides a steady, reliable monthly income, but more importantly, it builds an incredible bond with your audience. It becomes less about constantly churning out new stuff and more about providing continuous value and connection. Look, the biggest mistake I see people make is trying to tackle all of this at once. They get fired up by a list of ideas, try to build everything simultaneously, get completely overwhelmed, and then just quit. The key, the absolute key, is to pick one income stream and focus on it until it's making consistent money. Master it, automate what you can, and only then should you even think about adding the next one. That is how you build a resilient, burnout-proof system of income. Going from a burnt-out employee to someone who actually has financial control has been a journey of building systems, one brick at a time. Every one of these streams started small, but together they've created a financial foundation I can actually depend on. It definitely took work, but it's a path that's open to anyone who's willing to start. If you're ready to build your first stream, make sure you subscribe to this channel. In the coming weeks, I'm going to be breaking down each of these methods, step by step. And if you're trying to figure out where to begin, you'll want to watch my next video on how to create and sell your first digital product in less than a week.